The other day, I received a call from a friend of mine. This friend of mine said, Dorcas, I want a beef sauce, and I don't want the regular beef sauce on the market. I want a Dorcas made beef sauce. I was like, who am I not to listen to a very good friend of mine? So I quickly went to the market and I got this beef, and I decided to slice this beef into this particular sizes, very small, not very tiny but small, just to make sure that everything cooks well. So that is just what I'm doing in the video. I slice the beef to these sizes. Please be careful with the knife so that you do not cut yourself. Okay, so 1 2 3 we're done, and then the next thing is I'm going to transfer all the sliced beef into a bowl, and to that I added this beef seasoning, and I also went in with this garlic, ginger and pepper. I added some salt and then some soy sauce. So we are going to add just a little bit, and then we are going to mix everything so each beef is well coated with all the goodness. So guys, don't forget to do this step. Okay, so next I'm going to add this oil just to make sure that everything goes into the beef very well. Remember, this is a Dorcas made beef sauce, and we aren't playing. Dorcas is okay. Anyway, so you're going to set the beef aside for about 5 minutes until everything is well incorporated, and then I went in with these veggies that I chopped off camera. And next I'm going to add some oil to a pan. To that, all our beef goes into it, and then we are going to just cook this for about 10 minutes or until it's well cooked. Don't forget, we are making something very quick and we do not have enough time to waste. So that's just what I'm doing in the video. So we are going to cover this and allow this to cook or steam, anyhow you want to call it. So next, to thicken up the beef sauce to what my friend wanted, I'm going to add this flour and then water. We are going to mix this and set aside. Next, in a pan, I added a little bit of oil to that. We are going to fry this onion for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it's brown, just like you see in the next clip. Don't forget this step, okay? It adds so much flavor to your food. So that is just what we did, and then after that I'm going to add in my diced carrot and then the rest of the onion to that, and we are going to stir fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes because we do not want our veggies to become soft. So next I added a little bit of salt just to make sure that everything is tasting super nice. Next, our chopped green peppers also goes in, and then we give everything a quick stir. Guys, this beef sauce was really appreciated by my friend and I was so excited. So after 10 minutes we came to check on our beef, and it was looking so good, very juicy. And then do not finish it like I did, okay? Just give the beef some time. So next we are going to add in the soy sauce. You can add oyster sauce, light sauce and any other sauce you want, but this is what I was having available. So I added in our flour mixture, and then we are going to mix everything till it combines well. Next, we have to season this up to bring all the flavors we started with together. So I added this powder, garlic ginger powder, and then give everything a good mix. So after this, we are just going to now reintroduce all our stir fry veggies back into our beef. And guys, at this point everything was really looking good, and I was beginning to have confidence my friend is going to like this beef sauce. So we are just going to cover this and make sure that everything comes together, and then we will come back and check up. Guys, at this point, if you are watching, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So for the final touch, we added this spring onion, and then we give everything a quick stir, and that is it. My friend really enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you. Bye.